Hello student and welcome to today's lesson. Letter C. The letter C says k, k, k. Look at the camel. Camel. Look at the car. Car. Look at the cap. Cap. The letter C. Usage of C in a word. The letter C can be in the middle of a word like picture. The letter C can be at the end of a word like garlic. Steam activities. S. Talk about the camel. The camel is also used for transport in the desert. T. Listen to the letter C by watching a video. E. Use blocks to make a car. A. Draw and color a cap. M. Count objects beginning with the sound k around you. Review. Tick the correct letter. Look at the car. Is it C or B? Tick C. Look at the apple. Is it A or C? Tick A. Look at the cat. Is it B or C? Tick C. Look at the bear. Is it B or A? Tick B. Encircle the pictures that begin with the A sound. Ant starts with A. Encircle it. Ball starts with B. Do not encircle. Apple starts with A. Encircle it. Butterfly starts with B. Do not encircle. Aeroplane starts with A. Encircle it. Wonderful work, students. See you next time.